grab me coffee real quick because it's going to be a long day. All right. Okay, we good? Okay, so I have been keeping an eye on my doggies. This is Storm. Storm is on day 62. Usually dogs are about 63 days gestation before they have puppies, give or take a day or two. And when a dog starts to get ready for labor, their temperatures drop. Usually it's about 2 degrees. I've been keeping their temperatures, I usually start taking temperatures about 10 days before the due date, so that way I can see the drop. Last night about 9:30, I took Storm's temperature, and her temperature was 99.3, and her normal temperature from the days before that had been around 100, 105. Okay, so right now we're getting everything prepped for birthing and labor. Storm's starting to dig a little bit, and she's gone outside. She's not eating her snacks. So I've got everything set up here. I've got my fetal Doppler, just in case we have a puppy that I need to get a heartbeat on. Transmission gel. I do have my stethoscope here. We are going to go in there and wash her tummy again because she just went out the little potty, so we're going to wash her tummy, and I'm going to do a little bit more of a shave. We have our wipes. We have our bowls and spoons for yogurt and ice cream. I do have my tray here. My tray, I do have my Hemos, toe wrap, extra squeezies, Towel Plus. These are brand new towels. When I have puppies, I try to use brand new towels always. Even though I do wash the other ones and keep them, I use the other ones after I do a litter to just kind of use for other stuff. Hand sanitizer. Now, with hand sanitizer, I'm going to be using quite a bit of this because when I deliver puppies, I don't use gloves. I have tried to use gloves a time or two before, but they get so slippery and gross, and I want to make sure that I have a good hold of a puppy and not have it slip out of my hand or fall. So I actually have lots of wipes and that I will be using. So hand sanitizer is here. When I'm in there, I will put on my little foot booties. I have foot booties to keep just everything clean, and so that when my feet don't get grippy and I don't, you know, when I'm going in and out, I always change these. I have my alcohol spray. Here I have my tray. I have my bowl suckers. I have the record towel. I do have Super Clot, just in case umbilical cord or something. I need to stop bleeding. I do have Cal Plus, and I'll be starting to get that here soon. I do have here, these are sprayed with alcohol already. I have a small thing of hemostats, and then 2 different sizes of surgical scissors, and they're in here, and I'm trying to keep them as sanitized as possible. What else? I have my trash can ready. I have my basket for dirty towels and that. I have over here for any puppies that need it, Karo syrup. I do have a little kind of ICU. I don't have an oxygenator yet. I have this just in case I need to separate a puppy or work on a puppy. It has a heating pad in here, a temperature gauge, so that way if I do need to separate a puppy, I have this here. I actually am going to be putting down big giant pads. I'm going to open this up. I have Underneath here, the first layer, I have a heating blanket. I don't have a heating pad. She's supposed to have 11 puppies, so a heating blanket is down. And a heating blanket to me is a little bit better than a heating pad because I can be a little bit more specific with temperatures on a heating blanket, and the times are a lot better to be adjusted for a heating blanket. I am going to put these down. On top of the heating blanket, I have an extra large puppy pad, and then on top of that, I also have another puppy pad. So I have 3 layers here, and I'm getting ready to put down these. These are wee pads. These are the super jumbo extra large. So that way, whenever we start giving birth, I can just throw these away and try to keep everything as clean as I can. What else? Oh, we are going to come in here, and I've got the basket for dirty towels in that. I do have knee pads, so that way when I'm bending over, because the floor is concrete, and when I'm sitting in here with her, I bring in my stool, because when I sit in here with her, I don't really like sitting too much on the ground, so I took her temperature just a few minutes ago, and her temperature actually dropped again to 98.4. She's doing a little bit of digging in that, so we are actually on watch right now for puppies. We did do an x-ray, and the x-ray showed 11 puppies. So we are suited up and ready for delivery. Pretty soon I'm going to be giving her the culture. I just want to make sure that she is definitely in an active labor.
Okay. So, the funny thing is I have Victor here with me, and we're trying to get these doggone microphones and stuff set up so that way you can hear me instead of me sounding so far away for a video. So this is kind of hopefully working. But again, I do have my stuff ready, and I have got my charger, my clippers charged. Stormy's in there relaxed, and I'm going to get ready to go in there and wash her belly and get her clipped up. And I'm going to put my booties on. So pause. Shh. No. Get back inside. Get back inside, Mama. No. Get back inside. I gotta do your tummy. No. Okay. I need to put a towel down here later to step in and step out of here. Alright. Watch out, Mama. Watch out, Mama. Okay. We gotta wash your belly. We gotta wash your belly and shave a belly. Yes, we do. Okay. And I also took off her collar, so she's can be a little bit more comfortable. Come on. Lay down. No. We'll get you more water here in a second. We'll get you more water in a second. Why are you drinking this water? You thirsty? Okay, we'll get you water in a second. Come here, lay down. Come on. Dormy. Come on, lay down. Come here. Come here, Mama. You gotta lay down. You gotta lay down. Come here. Down. Come on. Down. I'm gonna get off my stool. Come on. Lay down. We gotta do your tummy. Dormy. Come here. Come on. Lay down. Lay down, Mama. Down. Down. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Okay. We gotta wash and shave your tummy. Quit drinking the water. We'll get you more water in a second. Lay down. Good, Mama. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You gotta wash this belly. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. Here, we gotta squish you down. Ready? Oh, there we go. Here. I'm gonna give you the pillow. There you go. Shh, 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 shh. No, you stay right there. You stay right there. Good girl. Yeah, we're gonna make sure everything's all clean for the babies. Everything's all clean. Yeah. Good. Good girl. Yeah, you got your pillow. You got your pillow. Okay, I'm gonna do a little shaving. See? See? I'm just gonna do a little shaving. Just a little bit. And because she's gonna have 11 babies, we need all boobies on board. Yep, we need to make sure we have access to all the boobies. I know. I know. Shh, 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 shh. You just relax on that pillow. Yeah. You relax on that pillow. All right. Yeah, we're just wanting to make sure that she's all cleaned and clipped up. She already went outside to the bathroom. And if she goes in here, it's okay. We're going to be putting down potty pads for her. Yeah, Mama. Yeah. We still good? Yeah. It's almost time. And she is actually starting to really soften up back here. And I'm going to get ready. Can you hand me the wrap too so I can wrap her tail while I'm doing this? You can open it up for me? Yeah, Mama. No, you lay down. You lay down. You lay down, good girl. All right. Got all these babies. All these babies coming. Yep, I gotta get that booby. The top boobies are usually the ones that don't really, it's okay. It's okay. The top boobies are usually the ones that don't lose a lot of the hair. It's the bottom ones that usually will lose hair. That's okay, Mama. That's okay, baby. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You got that wrap open for me? Okay, let's see that wrap. Oh, thanks. No, you lay down. You lay down, Mama. Shh. You lay down. All I got is wrap. I'm going to wrap your tail. I'm going to wrap your tail. Yes. Lay down. Yeah, see, you're all clean. You got shaving boobies. You got shaved boobies. Alright, so I do wrap my dog's tails. It just keeps everything a little bit cleaner and easier to manage and see. I don't wrap it super tight because it's not a wound. I just want to make sure that all the hair and everything from the tail is out of the way. Yep, can you go get her some water? She's thirsty. The water's behind you in the sink, baby. Just get me a little bowl of water because we want to make sure she stays hydrated. I took her water bowl out of here a little bit ago because she was digging and it got knocked over. So now that I'm going to stay in here with her. What? The water bowls are over there. Okay. Okay. Good, Mama. Yeah. Okay. Just put like halfway with water. No, Victor, you got a sink in here, baby. You don't have to go to the kitchen. Alright. And will you can you hand me a glove, please? I'm gonna check her and see how soft she is. The gloves are in the top underneath that bag. In the top, Victor, top. Yep, underneath the bag, just a glove. Okay. Thirsty. Okay. All right. That's good. Here. Here are the clippers. Can you take the clippers back? Alright, and you could take the water in that out. So all I'm going to do right now, and now I have a glove on for this, is I'm just going to check and see how pliable and open she is. She's definitely softened up a lot, and it's just like jello back here. So she can go anytime. You just definitely want to make sure that the birthing canal is clean and you don't see anything leaking or foul smelling. So right now everything's good. You want to lay down? Lay down? There you go, Mama. Lay down. And if you want to get the Doppler, then we can try to see if we can hear any heartbeats. And give me the glove. All right. Okay. It's okay. Look. It's okay. It's okay. Lay down. Okay, so we're going to see if we can't hear heartbeats. It's okay. And a puppy's heartbeat is very, very fast. Good girl. Yeah, you want to lay down? Lay down. Yeah, the low heartbeats. Let's see. It's okay. I'm going to try to get a little bit further down. Yeah, there's a puppy heartbeat. You see it's 187, 196, 198. You see she's starting to kind of grunt right now. That's a puppy. Nope, I moved. Oh, I just felt a kick. I don't know if you heard it. It was like, boop. There's a puppy. You hear it? Yeah? You hear how fast that heartbeat is? Yeah? Oh, it moved. Where'd you go? There it is. Or that could be another one. 204, 202. Nice healthy heartbeats. Yay. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just stop that. And Victor, if you want to grab a paper towel. Okay, so we just cleaned off Stormy's tummy. We heard healthy puppy heartbeats. And she's actually starting to grunt and get some contractions. So we are going to go ahead and give her her first dose of oral cal. And we are also going to get her some yogurt ready. So what time is it right now? 10:05. Okay, so 10 o'clock we're giving her her first dose. Yes, I know. Ready? There you go. Alright, and then we'll get her some yogurt. And we're just playing the waiting game. You want to go ahead and get her some yogurt? I've got my tray over here, and I'm going to start putting down my pads. The pads that are going to clean up any kind of gook when stuff starts happening. And I'm going to put down 2 layers. This is just like whenever you're in labor and delivery at the hospital. You know, you're just sitting there laboring, and then when the time comes, you're getting prepared. Lost a foot on my thing. No, I gotta put a foot back on my puppy thing. Yeah, for now. Okay, we'll give it to her in just 2 seconds because I gotta get all of this stuff cleaned up. But there we go. Okay. So we're gonna start getting everything all ready. Here, she wants that yogurt. If you want to go ahead and hand it to me. Keep the spoon out. Get the spoon. And just set it over in the other bowls. I'm gonna go ahead and give her some yogurt because she really didn't sleep good last night either, and she hasn't really been eating good. So while I'm getting all this stuff put down, she can have her yogurt. And later when she starts delivering, we do have ice cream, but right now we're just giving her yogurt. Ice cream is later when she's going to need more of the sugar. Yes, I know, she's just drying that yogurt. Okay, so we're getting everything laid down for her. Yeah. Come back in here and lay down. Come back and lay down. Alright, so I'm going to put down another layer. After I get this one down. No, Stormy, you stay in here. You stay in here. No. There's no more yogurt right now. Can you get the bowl and go and throw it away? Come on, get back in here. Yeah, no. No digging. This is not, huh? Yeah. No digging. Come on, I know you want to dig. I know that's what you're supposed to do. But we want to try to keep everything all plus not all clean, but at least everything all situated. Right, Mama? Okay. So I got my chair. There you go. Go lay down. Go lay back down, baby. Go lay back down. Alright, so it's 10:05. 10:09. Okay. So we're just going to be kind of waiting to see what happens. She's starting to take more interest in her rear end. What? Is that picture? What is that picture? Do you want belly rubs? Come here. No. Yeah, let's rub your back. Let's rub your back. No, you cannot get out. No. You're not going to have puppies all over the house. You're going to have your puppies right here. No. You're going to have your puppies right here. There you go. You good girl. And she smells your ramen. She says, Victor's got ramen. My legs are starting to go numb. Yes, they are. I'm gonna have to tag team and let somebody else sit with you in a minute. Yeah. I might have to get up and walk around. Alright, you can pause. Okay, so it's 12:30 and we just let Stormy out potty one more time. We got her all cleaned up. We actually seen our first signs of blood and fluids. So Victor was sleeping in here with her, trying to keep an eye on her. That was his watch. Now Sonia is in here and she's on watch while I go stretch my legs and get a little bit of housework done. But Storm is actually starting to increase her panting and she's getting restless and she's paying a lot more attention to her rear end. And I'm gonna go over here and let's see it. Oh, she's covering up that. Nope, you can kind of see it a little bit back there behind her head. So we are going to update in just a little bit. I gave her another little dose of the oral cal, and here in just a little bit we will give her some more yogurt. Just trying to get her ready for the actual birthing. Again, we do have water in here for the dogs, and we keep offering water, but we do not have the actual water bowls in there because with them doing the digging and the restlessness, the water bowls have just been getting spilt and moved. So we do actually have the water over here, and we will offer water for sure. But as far as having water in their pens, no. Once we see them going into the first stages of labor, we kind of clear everything like that out and just continuously offer water. But other than that, we are getting ready to go into the second stage of labor for Storm, where she's going to be actually delivering. So again, we seen her first actual blood spots and fluid. So shortly we should be having the first puppy born. Alright, so Sonia's on puppy watch. Storm is in an active labor and she's watching somebody named Markiplier playing Resident Evil 8. Yep. Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys have this bonding moment, and I'm going to do some dishes and some laundry while we're waiting for puppies, okay? Alright. Don't put on anything scary or any big noises or anything like that, okay? All right. Holler for me if anything happens. Okay.